Well, we've already seen good evidence of that happening. It may not happen as quickly as some sort of Western commentators may like, but certainly we are seeing some definite moves to a more standard infrastructure model, which will be much easier for international investors to interact with. I think the regulatory and legal system are perceived as pretty weak. The legal system doesn't lend itself to securities trading. A lot of the big concepts that you rely on in other markets, such as nominee, trust, electronic signature, don't really exist in Russian law yet, so it's difficult to do business. Added to which, the market infrastructure is very different from the sort of standard Western models, pre-delivery markets, etc. Just make it very hard for brokers and investors to utilize the local market. Well, the really attractive thing about Russia is the sheer depth of liquidity. You have incredibly liquid markets in FX and derivatives, in equity, and an incredibly diverse set of companies that you can invest in. Obviously, there's a lot of focus on resource, oil and metals and mining, but there's a very broad range, consumer names, utilities. So it's a very rich investor universe and good liquidity to back it up. It all depends on the fund itself. I mean, different funds have very different objectives, but I think flexibility is the key. We've invested a lot in technology. We have a broad range of prime brokerage services, so it's not just about accessing the market, it's about financing, stock lending, FX transactions, DR conversions, really just supplying all the ancillary services that allows any hedge fund to execute whatever strategy they're trying to achieve, and of course the service level to back it up. That's all important. We're constantly launching new products and services. We've got a major product launch coming up before the end of the year, targeting international sell sides and real money buy sides. But we are constantly in a phase of development. We have a good relationship and feedback from our customers, and they really tell us what they want to see us build. And in that way, we know we're building the right services.